So for the first method, head over to search and then type in run, click on it, and then type in clean mgr, click on OK, and then you want to clean all of your drives. So first we're going to start with the C drive, click on OK, and then you want to select all of this, you want to tick all of this and click up clean up system files, and then you want to click on OK. Once you've done that, click on OK, and then click on delete files. You want to do that same method for all of your drives. Head over to search and then type in run, click on it, and then type in %temp%. Once that loads up, we're going to click Ctrl A on our keyboard and then click on delete. These are all the temporary files, we can delete them. If you get this message, click on do this for current items and click on skip. We're going to do the same process again. Run and then type in pre-fetch. Click on OK. If you get this message, click on continue. And then do the same thing. Ctrl A on your keyboard, delete all of these temporary files. If you get this, click on skip. And then head over to the recycle bin, right click, empty recycle bin, and delete that. Click on continue if you get this message. Head over to search and then type in MRT. Click on yes, and then click on next. And then you want to do a full scan if you have a lot of time, because this will literally take hours. Or you could just do a quick scan if you want. And then click on next, and then just run the scan. Next, head over to any search engine, type in Malwarebytes, click on the first link, and then you want to just get the free download and just scan your computer with it. But head over to search and then type in virus and threat protection, click on it. Once you're on it, click on scan options, and then we want to do a full scan, click on scan now, and then you want to do a Microsoft Defender offline scan, click on scan now. After all of this, if you still feel like you have a virus, head over to search and then type in reset this PC, click on it, and then you want to reset your computer. Make sure you have all of the files backed up, but you want to remove everything, and then you could do local reinstall, and then you want to change the settings, and then you want to make sure that you clean all of the drives. And then you can select all of this, click on yes on everything, confirm, and then you can just reset your computer. But make sure that you backed up all of your files.